As investor interest in India continues unabated, focus is shifting to India's fastest growing metro, Pune. While many are familiar with Pune's past as an education and cultural hub, most may not be aware of millennial Pune's future as the powerhouse of India's economic growth. Just a 2-hour journey from Mumbai, Pune is one of India's most affluent hubs. According to the New World Wealth Report, Pune leads a list of top 20 Asia-Pacific cities which have seen the highest growth in millionaires. Beginning as an industrial hub, Pune is today a global automotive cluster and an IT/ITES development hub. Also, with over 350 corporate innovation centers, cheaper talent, and access to capital, Pune is among the top 4 startup hubs of India. When it comes to global manufacturing, 230 of the 600 German firms are in Pune alone. Other global players are also moving their base from other cities and scaling their investments and manpower in Pune. Pune's Grade A campuses are also providing the ideal infrastructure for such a shift. Today, over 150 of the Fortune 500 companies have a significant base in Pune. Many of these corporates are already running head offices, export units, APAC back offices, shared services, development centers, and R&D out of Pune. A lot of Pune's talent is also driving this growth. As we know, Pune is India's biggest education hub when it comes to quality manpower. Pune leads other metros with a 92% average literacy rate. Known otherwise for its good weather, Pune is also rated as the best city to live in terms of quality of life. It also ranks number 1 among Indian cities with the lowest incidence of crime. Pune has consistently led India's manufacturing growth, with 29 of Maharashtra's 33 automotive plants based out of Pune. That's a third of India, making the city one of the world's biggest automotive hubs. In commercial infrastructure alone, giants like Panchsheel Realty are servicing demand of 1.6 million square feet of Grade A commercial space year on year. Demand will also be fueled by fast-scaling businesses from a thriving ecosystem of small and medium enterprises. In infrastructure, one of Pune's biggest sunrise stories is being scripted out of the city's eastern parts in what is set to become one of India's biggest commercial business district or CBD. That destination is Kharadi. In the last 2 decades, the city has expanded at a blistering pace, and most of this growth has been eastwards. Kharadi today is poised to join the league of BKC, MG Road and Gurgaon as one of India's biggest commercial and premium residential hubs. Kharadi will also be connected by the 22-kilometer Kharadi Riverside Road, connecting it to the Bangalore-Mumbai Expressway and the Pune-Ahmednagar Highway. Kharadi is also well connected to upcoming public transportation like the present and upcoming airport, the metro, BRT, and the Ring Road. It is within a 5 to 10 minutes drive from social hubs like Magarpatta, Viman Nagar, Kalyani Nagar, and Koregaon Park, and a thriving catchment of 5-star hospitality, malls, top schools, IT complexes, corporate office, and high street retail. This includes Eon IT Park and the World Trade Center. Eon is a 45-acre, 4 million square foot campus, while WTC has 4 towers of 9 stories and 1.8 million square feet of Grade A workspaces. Both hubs house Fortune 500 companies from technology, banking, telecom, and services. In the next 3 to 4 years, Kharadi will have more than 85,000 corporate professionals working out of the Eon IT Park, including Phase 2 and other upcoming commercial projects. With several globally benchmarked and branded residential projects coming up, Kharadi is also becoming Pune's first truly global residential neighborhood. Kharadi will also have one of the finest nightlifes, owing to City Hub, the upcoming retail and F&B hub of WTC. Developed as a public-private partnership between Panchsheel and the PMC, Kharadi has over 6 kilometers of tree-lined roads. Kharadi also boasts of several premium luxury residential projects. These include the 9 Panchsheel Towers, which are the tallest of Pune, and Kelly Hoppen Villas, spread over 85 acres of greenery. Kharadi also comes with its own water purification infra and is not dependent on tanker water. Owing to such planned development, strategic location and quality construction, Kharadi has seen the most consistent appreciation compared to other mixed-use neighborhoods of India. According to the McKinsey report on India's urbanization, Pune is on its way to become India's third largest metro soon. Much of that growth story is being written right here in India's next prime neighborhood, Kharadi.